welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, then thanks for stopping by. Make sure that you subscribe, and if you like this video, if you would like more content from me. I took a poll on my Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, why aren't you following me? I thought we were friends. I thought. So if you are not following me on Instagram, I will put my Instagram name right here. It's Hey, ImSimplyLC. Go follow me on Instagram because I do typically give, like, if not daily, then every other day updates on just what's going on with my hair. I also post cool little recipe highlight videos on there, decor tips. Lots of cool things happen on my Instagram. I mean, the coolest things happen on my YouTube because it's like a video, but there are cool things that happen on my Instagram. So you should probably follow me on there as well. I did a poll probably a couple days. I have like lit. I did a poll a couple days ago on my Instagram, and I asked what type of video you guys wanted me to make, and the highest voted one was shampooing your starter locks. So I don't use the what is it, like the wig cap or like pantyhose. I don't know what people are putting on their head, but I don't use that method on my hair. My method is a little bit different. I've only washed it one time, so that one time went well, and now it is I've been a month with locks. It's time to wash it again, and I'm going to do my first retwist. I'm so excited. So that's what this video is all about. This is the video that you guys asked for me to make. You guys voted. I do a very simple routine. I don't do anything that's that amazing. So keep that in mind. If you have a completely different method on how you wash your locks, I would love to know. So please share your method below in the comments. Help the family out. If you guys catch me sometimes looking at myself, I'm sorry. It's really hard to look into the camera because it's a lot easier to look into like the eyes of someone else when you're talking. So that's why when I'm looking like this, I'm looking at myself. When I'm looking at this, I'm looking at you guys. So what I use to wash my hair first is a spray bottle. I'm also going to use some shampoo. So I used the shampoo in my first installation video. I switched between this shampoo and then the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree shampoo. I love them both equally, but I'm going to be using this one, the apple cider vinegar. These are the three things I use to wash my hair. I already have some water in my spray bottle. Add about 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And a lot of people hate the way apple cider vinegar smells. Is it weird that I like the way it smells? Like, I don't know, it sounds kind of good to me. I don't know if that's weird, but yeah, so I'm going to take my water bottle, and then I'm going to take my apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to pour like that much in there. I thought that was like 2 tablespoons-ish. I'm going to take my shampoo. Don't ask me why. Sometimes I just adopt accents. Didn't know why I do it. So you're gonna shake your shampoo. I mean, you might not have to shake yours, but I have to shake mine. Squeeze my shampoo into the bottle. Like a science experiment. You guys see it? That looks gross. Oh, it's just all floating to the top. Okay, that should be good. So I'm gonna squeeze like that much. Look at that, you guys. This looks crazy. Okay, so here's my shampoo concoction mixture. Yum. And this is what I'm going to use to wash my hair. I have a part down the middle of my hair. Okay. Each of these into 2 sections. Look like I have went from 28 to 8. I look like I just lost 20 years on me. I look ridiculous. I look like I'm about to go to preschool. I promise you guys, I'm a grown woman. I'm 28, I'm old. This is what we're working with. So this is how I'm going to wash my hair. So I'm gonna bring each one of these down just a little bit. Now obviously my method is more so for people that have starter locks or locks that are towards the medium length. My hair is a little bit long compared to some people that start their locks, so this method might not work for all hair lengths, but I'm just gonna bring this down. Let's go ahead and move into the wash routine. That pretty much concludes it. My hair is nice and clean. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you like and comment and subscribe and join my page because I have more videos to come. So I'm now going to follow up with my oil mixture, but I'm going to actually put that in my retwist video. So if you want to see how I follow up with my oils, then make sure that you go watch my next video when I retwist my hair. And I am now going to retwist it. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.